Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Elephant means hathi. Say kids, elephant. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Cow means guy. Say kids, cow. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Pig means sewer. Say kids, pig. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Lion means sheep. Say kids, lion. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Zebra means चित्तीदार घोड़ा. Say kids, zebra. Rhino. R-H-I-N-O. Rhino. Rhino means genda. Say kids, rhino. Condor. C-O-N-D-O-R. Condor. Condor means gid. Say kids, gid. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Donkey means gadha. Say kids, donkey. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Monkey means bandar. Ox. Ox means bell. O-X. Ox. Ox means bell. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Tiger means cheetah. Ooh. Sheep. Sheep means bhed. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Sheep means bhed. Say kids, sheep. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horse means ghoda. Say kids, horse. Reindeer. R A N D E A R. Reindeer. Bull. B U L L. Bull. Bull means bell. Say kids, bull. Goat. G O A T. Goat. Goat means bakri. Say kids, goat. Chimpanzee. C H I M P A N Z E. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee means banmanush.